everyone, in today's lesson we are going to learn about the transition window. Transition window is very important. It's into how our slide go from each other. For example, let's see in this slide. For this slide, I just copy one of my past presentations to make it faster for you to look and find. For example, let's just copy this and paste it here, and this and paste it here. Now, when you, let's say transition to none. Now, when you present this slide and go to next slide, it's something that's not beautiful. It's without any transition. But we can add transition. For example, we can add fade, or we can add push. You see what push happened? Push. It's very great. We have many transitions. Wide, split, reveal, cut, random bears, shape, uncover, and many transitions like flash. Some of them are more complicated, just fall over, drape, or this. They are really beautiful and fascinating to watch. Wind, prestige, fracture, crush, peel off, page curl, airplane, origami. We have many effects. If I want to teach you all of them, it's gonna take a year. But something is important is that it's always up to you which effect you should use. It has many of them, like dynamic. They are dynamics. They are really amazing, like zooms. And we also have many of them, but today we are going to learn about something, effect options. Effects has many options. For example, let me teach you about options in an effect that is easy. Push is just an easy effect. It's making up, but it has many options. You can choose it to come from bottom, come from left, come from right, come from up. It has many options. For example, let's say come from left. What it's doing, it's pushing the nature back. We are creating the push, but from left. What it works for. For example, we create it here. We can just simply create a, for example, let's say triangle, copy that, and paste it here. And then, if you click, it looks like this. Or you just, if you set the transition from right, it's like your triangle is moving. It's really crazy and amazing to watch. You can use it to make your PowerPoint great. For example, by putting some title. Let's see, we copy that and just reduce its size. You can create some amazing title like this. You see, it's really beautiful. Or you can change the colors. For example, here it is green and blue. You can create something amazing. But one of the most important transition I didn't talk about is morph. I'm going to talk about morph in one lesson, just one lesson for morph, because it's hard and very useful and you need to understand it well. But for now, after effect option, we also can have sound of arrow, bump, or everything you want. For example, let's see what the sound looks like. Increase the sound for you to hear. For example, voltage. Did you hear that? I or laser. I don't really use the sound, but you have this option and you can use. Or the duration. What duration means? How fast the transition works. For example, let's put it on 5. When you put it on 5, it's going more slower. You see? And I want to give you some advice. You can apply it to all your slides. Or you can say, for example, after 5 seconds, advance to next slide after 5 seconds. Then if we run it, we don't click or press enter. After 5 seconds, the transition started. I want to give you some advice on transition. Transition is important. The duration must not be go from more than 1 second. Sometimes lots of time in transition is not good. And I want to tell you something. You must don't create some transition. They are blushing, for example, origamis or shred that are very using very visual effects. It sometimes make your work less professional. It's better to use something easy, for example, undercover, something really easy and not flashy. It's just simple. Making everything more simple, make your PowerPoint presentation greater than possible. Okay, we have a lesson in next lesson about this morph transition. But until then, don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate your support and tell me in the comment if you need anything or I have any problems. I will be happy to hear that.